It's no comfort. The only one is you have not to polish it because vulcanite can oxidize from the light and wetness and so. That's the only. Then you turn on the lathe your tenon, plan it on this side, drill the hole until this point, and on the other side you start it with 1.5 millimeter. So, and then you make your shape from it. You fix it here, and so you will sand it down to the right shape. Then the last step is you make the V on this point. That's the last step. So you have this olive there, it's finished, and then you drill the V in this mouthpiece inside. So in this system, and work in this way. And then that is also finished, and now comes the normal way. You have to sand it fine, more fine, and absolutely fine. That's it, and then starts the stain procedure, contrast, whatever you want to have finished. That's freehand. The next part is semi-freehand, because you know it from I take mushroom, doesn't matter. So they drill it first. So they have a briar in this way, like this. Doesn't matter plateau or not. So, and they drill first the chamber inside and turn outside until the shape. So it's round and pre-drilled in this way, pre-formed. So this way. So, and then the next is they drill it, the tenon, this way, and turn it on the lathe, so the shape. Not so far, only until this point, so this part is left. And they make a shape by hand. So they work it on the one part by machines, on the other part by hand. So we call it semi-freehand. So there are many pipe makers, also pipe makers. You think they are freehanders? No, they are freehanders. Semi-freehanders. It's like for Barbi, in some parts, some other people. So they drill it first, and then they shape it. That's semi-freehand procedure. And the third one is machine-crafted pipe. There was the start in traditional pipe in St. Cloud. There was 3 machines. They did work pipes. The first, if you have a bowl, a briar like this, we think so that is a cup from the briar. It's normally we call it that's a so-called M briar because it's for straight pipes. So they turn the bowl until this point. So until this point, and make in the same moment the chamber. Then the second machine works the shank until this point and make at the same time inside the hole for the tenon and plan it in the same side. That's the second machine. And the third machine works away the bottom in this and also this, so in this way. That's a 3 machines. That's a classic system. So there is a small part left here in this side, and they have to send it away. That's the part. And all these pipes, and you can see it also by quarter band and full bands, they can turn the shape only in a straight way, nothing else. So also in band pipe has a straight shank like this, or in quarter band in the same way, like this, only straight, nothing else. They can bow it with the machines, no fun. When you see such a shape, that we call classic, because from these machines, these pipes, who built or work with these 3 machines, and this stuff is classic. So you can look at your book and you see all these shapes, they can work with these machines, from billiard to Dublin or something like this. That is the only one. So that is the start. It's a cloth, and in 1973, there was a problem. They couldn't make in shape like single freehanded. You know, they had only in the straight way. And Then comes from Austria and machine. What is it? They built a new machine. The firm had the name Superman. And it was absolutely famous. There was a copy machine. And this copy machine was able to check a master and to transfer the master into two broilers. So at this moment, but with this copy machine, they could build also in the same way in the chains. They could copy these chains. That was a revolution at this time. So also pipe manufacturers, fabric manufacturers this way, machine crafted, could make pipes like freehanded. Oh wow, that was great. So that was